friends, what's up? It's been a little while, but we are back and better than ever. We are doing a food review for Nourish, and today we have a raw vegan platter, okay? I'm going to post exactly what we have right here. Screenshot it, make sure you ask for it, okay? So right off the bat, I love a combination of colors, I love a combination of flavors, and I love a combination of nutrition. And with this raw platter, that's everything you get. So I have actually had this before, but I said I wanted to do it again for a review. And you know, sometimes you just have to taste things more than once, and I'm assuming that this will taste different the second time around. So without further ado, we're just gonna hop right into it. So I'm gonna start in, first of all, this platter is just like healthy. It's thick, it's full, it's chunky. The aromas of everything mixed together. I'm gonna go right for the okra because your girl loves okra, okay? Look at the pull apart, look at the pull apart. Oh, yeah. I know people can't stand that, I know. But guess what? This is all the nutrients right here, okay? If y'all not drinking that okra water, I don't know what to tell you. Bone apple teeth. Okay. The red onions really brings out the flavor in this okra, y'all. I'm gonna taste a little bit of this beet salad. I'm getting into it. A little beet. Yeah. Okay, hear me out, right? I love beets, so maybe my opinion doesn't even matter. But I will say that this beet, it doesn't taste earthy. You know, like beets typically have that fresh off the ground taste. They did something here. They really did something here. And I'm going to taste this carrot salad. And everything is pretty much shaved, so you know, it's nothing too thick, nothing too big. So you really only get the flavor and not so much texture, which I can appreciate for a lot of different vegetables. It's very sweet and tangy as soon as you put it in your mouth. But then the aftertaste is very subtle. Is there like apples in here? This is good. All right, I'm gonna mix, and then we have some kale, of course. I'm gonna mix the okra and a little onion with the carrot slaw with the beets, okay? Let's see how that do. Okay, so it tastes amazing individually, but if you scoop everything together, and I forgot this hummus right here, just taste it by itself. Okay, I'm gonna taste it with the hummus, with the again, I'm gonna do a whole 3-piece and with the hummus to see how that go. Okra, gotta love it. This is good. This is really good. If you're someone who is looking to transition into a raw diet, or even you just want to incorporate a raw meal a day or a week or a month, you start where you are, I ain't judging. I would think that this might be the perfect starter raw food for you, just because it has like this smorgasbord of flavors. Nothing is too harsh. And it doesn't give you an overpowering quote-unquote plant feel. And I say that because I know that there are a lot of people who feel like they don't, which is crazy to say, but they don't want to feel like they're eating plants. You probably should, but for people who are eating for taste and not nutrition, this tastes really good, and it just happens to also be nutritional for you. I'm about to have to hang up with y'all in a little bit because I'm about to tear this platter up. But everything tastes so fresh, and Nourish is something that I have ordered from for quite some time now. I've tasted I can say I've tasted almost everything on the menu. This has been a newer thing for me, and like I said, I wanted to come back and actually do a review for this, and I will likely do a review for other items off Nourish's menu. Them words are not my friend today. I said like 40 times. But y'all, you're not going to feel hungry after something like this, because y'all see how big, again, this platter is, and there's a nice chunk of each thing in each corner. I know a lot of people are concerned with having a plant-based lifestyle, if I'm getting enough nutrition, if I'm getting the protein, if I'm getting the calories, if I'm getting the X, Y, and Z, I will tell you right now, hummus alone, it's so good. It's a great snack, but it can also be paired with other items like so to create a healthy, balanced lunch or dinner, even breakfast. Sometimes I'll have some pita with some hummus just because, like, I really enjoy hummus. So a little garlic hummus, listen, child, we be here all day. This is amazing. Like, I had to save the kale for last because I love kale. So again, I'm gonna just dibble in every single thing. Get that hummus. Bone apple teeth. This tastes like you're supposed to be eating this. It makes you feel good. The flavors are very, very rich. So I'm not about to be disrespectful and eat this whole platter online. That's not what I'm about to do. But what I will tell you is, if you're struggling to transition, or if you even want to try something like this, go ahead and hit up Nourish. They're on Uber Eats if you don't feel like going to somewhere. But if you want to go and sit down, they actually have a really nice restaurant. Maybe I will do a actual visual review going there and eating something for my next one. Plenty of sit down room. Support our local businesses, our local Black owned businesses, our local vegan, vegetarian, plant-based businesses, because they're necessary and they're spreading things that is conducive to us thriving in the future. And as always, if you like what you see, hit up mgodibeauty.com. That is MGODI beauty.com, and use code YouTube at checkout for a little razzle dazzle on the discount. Okay. Other than that, go get y'all Nourish. Yeah. Bye.